Hello guys. So we are required to find the adjacent nodes of a given node in a graph, right? So basically, suppose if we have a graph, which is a dictionary, which contains key uh, is the node, right? And then it contains the adjacent nodes or the value of all the nodes it's connected to, right? So in this situation, we are given what this thing. Right, so we are given the given node is 1 and then the adjacent nodes are 2 and 3, right? So I'm not sure if it is the inside values that they are asking or is it the keys thing. Okay, so if we were so if this was the thing, right? So it's the input was that and we were given 1, so hence we just printed out the inside values only, right? So the inside values, it contains all the nodes. Okay, so maybe it's asking for the same thing, so we will be given a graph, right? So we just return graph and the node. Is that it? Is that it? Let's see, let's run the code. Mhm. Why did we get that issue? Print graph node. Right, I think this has to be a string, I guess, somehow. Str or something. Maybe let's try this. Let's comment this out. Let's run it. Okay, great, great, great. So if it is 4, we need to give out 5 and 6, right? So we just need to print out the values. Okay, so what I was earlier thinking was maybe it's asking for the adjacent side to it. But since the values inside it contains already the adjacent sides to it, I guess. Right, so 4 was given, that's passed. Next test case was 7. All right, so it has to be 8 only. Okay, so it's not asking for the adjacent side. Okay, great, 9, and then we just need to return the values. Okay, great, great, great. So it has the thing. So it's a dictionary where each key is a node and then the value is the list of all its nodes. Okay, I got it. So it's just the thing. This is the node and then these ones are the adjacent values or the next node directions related, right? Okay, so that's how we solve this. Let's submit our code, right? And then let's see the solutions. Okay, so people have done something similar, right? Grafted items, and then it's turning I equals to, okay, it's just looping over it, not required, right? Still like O of n kind of thing over here because it will take constant amount of time. So accessing every element is still the same time. Okay, it's doing something similar. Okay, this has a better error control, right? Return none. Okay, great, great, great. So that's how we solve this particular problem. Okay, so thank you for your time. Take care.